first off, right out of the gate, let's talk about one of the fan favorites, and that is Texas. We go to Texas very regularly. It's a great auction. And Texas is a hybrid deed state and a redeemable deed state. So they kind of interchange. And the thing about Texas is there is a 6-month redemption period when you go buy a tax deed in Texas. So what does that mean for you? It means when you go to the auction, you actually get the deed, get the title, but you have to wait up to 6 months before you can sell it, because the homeowner has up to 6 months to come back and redeem you what you paid for the property plus a 25% interest. Now, a little bit of a misconception out there, and I see a lot of the gurus being like, oh, Texas, here's how to make 25%. But at the end of the day, we've done over 50 deals just in Texas alone, and we've never once been redeemed. So in our opinion, anybody who is talking about Texas saying that, 25% interest guaranteed, they clearly haven't done anything there. So if you click on this map, we have all the details on Texas, 25% per 6 months. However, something to note that it is a 2-year redemption if it's a homestead. So that could be an interest rate of 25% the first year and 50% the second year. However, we don't recommend homesteaded properties. And if you click on this and you click more about redeemable deeds, you will get a whole bunch of information on Texas popping up. So this is important things to know when you're going to Texas, because if you buy the property and you think you're going to sell it right away, you're going to have to wait that time. Now, the interesting thing there is when you're in Texas, if it's vacant, you can put a renter in it. You can money on the property. For rent, you can basically have access unless the homeowner's in it. So Josh, what's your thoughts here on the wonderful state of Texas?
Yeah, so we're huge fans. One of the biggest reasons is that you have monthly auctions that happen. And not only are they in person, but they're also online. And so realauction.com, they've got at least 17 online auctions happening. And so we've seen some really good deals there. And so, yeah, that's why it's one of our favorites. And then, of course, the 25% interest penalty. But yeah, we've never seen anybody redeem. And so I wonder if that's part of the reason why we sometimes see people bid so aggressively. If they've heard, you're going to automatically get like 25%, they may be more aggressive, because we've seen aggressive competitive bidding in Texas. But we have a student who just bought a deal recently. And so this is a pretty fresh one. This was maybe a few weeks ago. And so what ended up happening is he bought a property. The numbers are working out, but the HOA is actually fairly expensive. And it's in an area that you would not think that the HOA is expensive. There's not really any amenities there. It doesn't look phenomenal, but it's like $500 a month, I think.
Just for the HOA?
Yeah, just for the HOA. And so, we just did the math. And so if you can't sell it for 6 months, you have to hold on to it for 6 months. You're close to $3,000, right? Mm-hmm. And so this is where being creative can really help, because you cannot sell a property within 6 months with title insurance, but you could still transfer it to somebody else as is. And so one of the things that we're looking at is doing seller financing for, let's say, a year. And so what could happen is, because we don't want him on the hook for 6 months of HOA fees, right? $3,000. And so is there a way that we can cut down those costs, cut down those expenses, make the deal more profitable, and kind of like reduce the burden to hold it? And so what we're currently looking at, and someone that is currently in negotiations with our student, is looking at doing seller financing. And so he puts down 10% immediately. So before the 6-month period is up, puts down 10%. It's an as-is transfer. The buyer covers HOA fees and then also pays monthly. And so you could put this money into a escrow company. And then in case the property is redeemed, which doesn't happen, in case it is redeemed, all of that money is sitting there. And so then they could easily just reverse the sale. And so someone is willing to do that. And so it's not that you can't sell the property, but you can't sell it with a clear title. But there's a lot of investors in Texas who are interested in creative financing. And so they're interested in getting into the deal with very little money down. And so even though there are rules, in each of these states, there are ways to get around these rules, or there's ways to be creative so that you can kind of, whatever your outcome is, whatever your goal is, you can achieve that. And so for this one, he doesn't want to be paying the HOA fees. And so we're structuring it so that he can get out of that, get money back immediately, and then, be wrapped up a few months after the redemption period. So there are creative ways to get around it, which is what makes this business so cool.
Excellent. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a free gift for you for watching a free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This is one of the best books on tax liens, and it is totally free as my gift to you for watching. In the description below. It'll walk you through tax liens from start to finish, along with the directories with all 1,500 tax lien and deed counties put here so that you don't have to go and search around the internet to find them on your own. So the other thing I have is, if you already have this book and you want to do a deep dive, my team and I have found an auction with a whole bunch of properties worth 200 to 300 grand, opening bids of just 1,600 bucks. So if you want to deep dive and attend an auction with some help, you can also schedule a free call below and we can discuss helping you in this business. Regardless, thanks for watching. You can check things out in the description below and enjoy the videos. We'll see you soon.